Ano nga yung labakara? Ano nga yung labakara sa Tagalog? Basta yun. Yun yung ginamit ko. Parang maliit na tuwalya siya. So, ang tawag namin sa Bisaya kasi doon is labakara. Hi everyone, it's November Rain again and welcome back into my channel. So today, this is our 5th day of our experiment. So 5 araw na po tayo mga beshies, and I am happy to share with you na pag natapos tong video to, 2 araw na lang. So, diba? 2 araw na lang at tapos na ako at gusto ko nang lumipat sa ibang product. Diyos ko, parang nakakaloka yung tagal, 7 days. So, let's cut to the chase and let's do our routine. So, I went ahead and washed my face already, and I got my handy dandy brush and my coffee, honey, and milk DIY face mask. So I'm gonna do this right away. So mga friends, I leave this in the freezer, and kahit iwanan mo siya sa freezer, hindi siya nagfo-frozen. So mas maganda pag malamig ang ilagay mo kasi ang sarap sa mukha. Nakaka-cool. Nakaka-cool. So, ito na yung mukha natin mga friends, and syempre patuyuin natin siya ng mga 5 minuto. Gonna go ahead and wash my face and see you in a little bit. And we're back. So, nakabalik na tayo. Tapos na tayong maghugas ng fresh look mga friends. So, this is our face now. So, and next step is we are gonna tone our face using Dickinson Original with Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. So, pagkatapos nating mag face mask, magto-toner naman tayo kasi kailangan nating i-tone ang ating mga pores dyan. Kailangan siyang magsara. So, I am using this Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer for Day-Night Mask. Wow. Made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. So, mabango siya mga friends, pero to be honest, I don't really like this moisturizer because it's heavy and sticky, but I need to use moisturizer. So, ganito siya mga friends. So, ayan na siya mga friends. My face is super hydrated now, and I'm gonna let this dry for a second because I am gonna use sunscreen, and since we're going outside or magsa-sunscreen tayo. So I am gonna use this La Roche-Posay. So I'm not sure kung paano mo siya i-pronounce, but this is broad spectrum SPF 50 and will sell off shields and daily anti-aging primer with sunscreen. So para ito sa mga kababaihan na katulad ko na nagme-makeup, nagpa-foundation, or hindi makalabas ng hindi nag-foundation. So, kailangan nyo to kasi this one is with anti-aging and primer already with sunscreen. So, pag ito yung ginamit nyo, okay na siya. Wala na siyang, hindi mo na kailangan maglagay pa ng sunscreen and then primer. So, ito na siya 2-in-1. 3-in-1 because it's anti-aging. So, mag-squirt lang tayo ng konting-konti din. Kasi, wag naman masyadong madami. Since tuyo na yung ating moisturizer, so mga friend, ganito kahirap ang magpaganda. Beauty is a full-time job. Full-time job. So, ito na mga friend, nakapaglagay na tayo ng ating 3-in-1 primer with sunscreen. Talaga siya. Importante talaga yun mga friends kasi we need to protect our skin from UV rays. Kailangan natin siyang protektahan para hindi tayo magka-freckles at saka hindi masunog yung balat natin. At saka hindi tayo magkaka-skin cancers. Importante yun. And since nakaset na yung primer and everything, I am gonna get back to you and maglalagay lang ako ng eyebrows and then also a foundation kung gaano talaga kaganda ang ating primer. See you in a little bit. Hi mga friends! We are back and tapos na tayo sa makeup nating very light. This clip also is intended to show you kung maganda ba ang resulta ng La Roche-Posay na sunscreen and a primer also. So, i-insert ko to kasi para makita ninyo na maganda yung effect niya. So, as you can see, yung makeup natin is very light lang talaga. Hindi ko siya vinonggahan para naman hindi maano yung glass skin na pinapangarap ko na mukha. So, ito na siya mga friend. Isuzoom in ko lang ng very light. So, maganda siya kasi maganda to siya kasi hindi siya heavy na primer and sunscreen. Kasi meron kasing iba na meron akong nagamit na parang tinapon ko na yata. Meron akong nagamit na talagang nagki-cakey siya kasi mga friends, ang importante kasi sa pag-makeup, yung makeup na smooth is you need to have a clean face, you need to have a proper primer, and you need to have a proper sunscreen. But you can get that one in one bottle, La Roche-Posay. So, I think you can buy this anywhere. I got this at CVS. So, yun lang mga friends, and I hope you enjoyed this video because of this kind of experiment. And before, yung problema ko sa pagmi-makeup is kinakapalan ko siya ng very kapal na anong tawag to, na foundation just to cover up all of my blemish, and then nagiging cakey siya. So napoprostrate ako. So ang sikreto sa pagkakaroon ng maganda at smooth na makeup is to have a proper primer, sunscreen, and plus bonus na mga friend, anti-aging. So, nakakabata talaga. Kung si Dudong pa, mukha akong 44 years old. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, Dong. So, ayun lang mga friends. Medyo, lakasan ko na lang siguro yung background music dito, no? Kasi si Dudong nagpatugtog. So, ganyan yan siya. Ganyan yung kinaiinisan ko sa kanya. Kaya gusto kong mag-video ng nasa trabaho siya dahil pag nasa trabaho siya, walang tunog, wala akong maririnig na kahit ano. So, ayun lang mga friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, this is I November Rain. And if you haven't subscribed into this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification down below. Check the iCards because there's a lot of skin routines on my iCard, and also to the description. Hit that bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And once again, this is I November Rain, ang nag-iiwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihang manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kahirapan, and I thank you. Bye!